Because nutrition is becoming more artificial these days, and because people have the tendency to become physically inactive in the way they live their lives, the problem of putting on weight is unavoidable for most people. Solutions are everywhere, but are they the correct ones? If you choose to keep in mind that fasting health has more priority than the fasting miracle everyone wishes for, then yes, you've made the right decision. Because most people are looking for ways to lose weight quickly and without many changes in lifestyle, specialized companies have appeared on the market trying to make a profit out of this. Their recipe for success is to come up with something that can be called a fasting miracle. What is a fasting miracle? When you watch an ad about a diet product, you will usually be introduced to a fasting miracle, meaning a person that has lost something like 20 pounds in 3 days with practically no effort, just by swallowing the 3 pills that are advertised. There is no television channel that does not run at least one ad including a fasting miracle. And then, there are all sorts of stories about movie or pop stars that have gone through such a fasting miracle themselves. They claim they have lost a lot of weight without making too much effort. They just drank this or that tea or took an amazing pill. What we don't think about is that such a fasting miracle is more the result of the money invested in the story than the result of the efficiency of the product. The company that produces the diet product will pay the star a lot of money to talk on all the TV channels about their fasting miracle. Whether you as a viewer choose to believe in a fasting miracle or not, is entirely up to you, but it can have serious consequences on your health. What you must know when you begin a diet is that there is no such thing as a fasting miracle. Any diet that works takes effort and patience. You usually have to begin with something that is called detox fasting. In this case, you do not actually lose weight, but your body eliminates all the elements that are not useful and act as a slow and effective poison. You will have to drink a lot of liquids and stop eating some of the things you are used to, so you will have plenty of time to understand that a fasting miracle is a lie. The mere fact that there are people who have to go to a fasting retreat to diet under supervision is also a sign that a fasting miracle does not happen in real life. Sometimes, when people want to get fasting information, they will go to a fasting forum online. People connect to these networks because they are looking for a fasting miracle. They hope that one of the other persons from the forum will tell them the story behind the fasting miracle. They hope to be convinced and to give them courage to do it themselves. What actually happens is that on the forums you will find out that a fasting miracle never happens. You may hear many stories about the people who were trying to make a fasting miracle happen and instead they just damaged their health. You will also hear of those who succeeded by choosing the right method and by persevering, with a lot of effort, in their goal. Perhaps it is better to join a fasting forum, because even if it does not appear to be the most attractive solution, it is the one that will give real results to your personal search. It is advisable to learn and study accurate information on fasting health even before you start a diet or fast. A good question with which to approach other members on the fasting forum or your natural hygienist doctor is, what is fasting health? Many people who have gone through a successful diet will be able to tell you the basic principles of fasting health. And they will also tell you that the biggest mistake you can make is to ignore fasting health while seeking a fasting miracle. So what does fasting health entail? Fasting health means not trying to lose too much weight overnight. Fasting health means that you will take good care of your nutrition and understand very well why you are eating this and not that food. Fasting health means that you are basically not starving yourself, but learning to carry out a water or juice fast in the correct manner. A doctor will tell you that fasting health means keeping the proper hours of the meal, eating well, but eating right. It is important to eat well in the morning and lunch to be able to have a light dinner, instead of starving the entire day and ending up eating more than necessary at night. The busy life of the 21st century can really make you forget how things should really be. You will also be told that fasting health means complementing the lack of certain food with vitamins to keep a balanced diet even if you eliminate certain foods from your diet. Fasting health means that you get rid of what is bad, not of everything or the foods that are absolutely necessary for you. Fasting health means also not relying only on nutrition in order to lose weight. It's all about regaining the natural program of life that busy people forget about. Fasting health involves a good physical exercise associated with the diet. It is, after all, everyone's wish to lose weight and look good at the same time. Respecting only the diet, your muscles will look just as poorly as they did before and your skin doesn't recover either. Because the body is in such a close relation with the mind, fasting health also means trying to sleep well and being stressed as little as possible. As you can see, fasting health is a complex notion that involves some effort and understanding on your behalf as well. Dieting is a lot about the brain, perhaps more about it than the body. So it should start with a positive attitude and with determination. Fasting health can be attained by a patient person who is ready to lose weight and grow healthy slowly, but intelligently. The priority is to stay healthy, and then look good. Do not forget that.